Hello guys, it's Corey here. We're back at it again with another wiper video. We have a 2023 Alfa Romeo Giulia, and today we're going to show you how to change these wiper blades. So we'll have to put these in the service position first. I'll show you how to do that right now. Alright, I'm inside the vehicle and I hit this start stop button. And press it again, shut everything down, and then hold this lever up. The wipers will go up into the service position. Make sure that this little lever here is down to the off or the zero position. Now you can see we can easily change the wiper blades. Just grab a hold of the wiper arm, pull it up. And if you look right here, this button right here, you push this in, and that will allow you to pull the wiper blade straight up out of the wiper arm. Here's what the wiper blade looks like. And then to reinsert it in the wiper arm, all you need to do is push it straight down into place. Just like that. And gently put the wiper arm down into its resting position. And the same thing for the other side. Okay, we go back in the vehicle. Push the start stop button. And then all you need to do is bump this lever up and the wipers return to their normal resting position. And that is it. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you liked the video. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.